I'm Rachel Feldman. I help health coaches just like you to build epic businesses online and offline. Let's just say I love to launch. I love to launch opt-in freebies, programs, webinars, and I love when people buy, which leads me to why I created Steal My Copywriter. I remember feeling so lost. Where do you find a copywriter? How do you write these great emails that convert? I want to save you the pain of somebody not buying. I have launched numerous programs online. Detoxes, cleanses, weight loss programs. And why did people buy? Because I had great emails. So this email sales funnel was created with you in mind. I want to save you the trouble of paying a ton of money, and I want to save you the time of having to write them yourself. You get reminders, you get coupons, which, in my opinion, is the way to go. That early bird pricing these days is just not enough. You get an email system. Check out the sales page and see everything you get when you buy Steal My Copywriter. Plus, you get 2 amazing bonuses. All you have to do is check out www.healthcoachbiz.rachelswellness.com and you have everything you need. Don't think for a second you don't need an unbelievable email marketing system to sell a program. You do. Trust me, I know because I coached for so many years and I built that profitable business knowing exactly what steps I needed to take. And now I'm sharing them with you.